house. It's about 27 years old and it's a HDB 4-room flat. It's about 1,000-ish square feet. What I like about the house, it's very bright, very spacious as compared to the past. Because in the past, there's like tinted windows, so it's very dark. So like, I take photos and stuff, right? It's not going to be nice in a way because it's very dark. So usually I go to my friend's house and take photos, but now I don't have to. So I just like take photos in my own house, yeah. I just told the ID that I want something minimalist, but yet a bit modern, because like I have to suit my parents' liking, right? I want them to feel comfortable as well, so I thought like, okay, modern minimalist will be a better choice. So then I actually kind of leave it everything to the ID. I have zero experience, though I have like friends in the same line, but I only like, hey, how this one like that, then this one can or not, that kind of thing. Then I just tell myself, you know what, I just like leave it to the ID to decide like what's best. Then they will just come back to me, then we just like discuss lor. Angelyn also got tell me it's a lifetime warranty. So in case of like any mechanics or like hardware stuff that is like, you know, got error or not error, faulty, right? So that I can just text them, then they will just come and fix. Yeah. So that's one thing that my parents are very assured of also. Yeah. I would like to thank Emily and Angelyn for helping to beautify my house, and at the same time, hope you guys enjoy my house tour.